We're going to perform a roof inspection here on this property. It has about a 10 or 12-year-old roof, but we have had some recent hail storms in the area. I checked the local storm map, and about 3 months ago we had some hail, and this roof is definitely about 10 years old, if not 15. Got my extendable ladder here. It's one of my favorite ladders. First glance, I can already notice that there's some granular loss to some of these shingles here. So that's a giveaway. See as I go around. And these ridge caps, they look kind of worn. I'm not seeing hail hits. Just see a lot of granular loss. And you got all the shingles, got the granular start to wear off. So we'll note that in our report. The roof is very aged. It may have a couple years left on it, but it doesn't have a whole lot longer left on it with these granulars. Looking this way, I don't know if you can see, but we got actual cracks and damages, and this shingle's damaged here. Yeah, it's just worn over time with age. Check that chimney cap, very rusty, needs a new chimney cap installed. So yeah, we're gonna need a new ridge cap and a new chimney cap at minimum. Maybe a little roof maintenance to hold out the roof a little longer, and then plan for replacement, I guess I would say, in the next 2 to 5 years. No hail hits, so doesn't look like it's going to be able to be claimed under insurance or anything, but it just looks like normal wear and tear. Looking at these roof boots, somebody's come in and put all new flashing, slid all new flashing down in there. That looks great. The way they did their chip cricket looks great. And gutters need some work there, but this is a roof inspection, not a gutter inspection. And yeah, as I'm looking, it could be ventilated a little bit better. But we got granular loss here by the chimney, and we got some granular loss at the front, and that's what will be noted. And then we'll also note in our report these openings on this ridge cap. This is all got cracks and openings here. Let's head on down, get on back down on level ground here.